Good morning, students. Today we have to start the topic division of polynomials. As we have started the chapter, then I have told you that in this chapter we will learn how to perform all the basic operation, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of polynomials. Addition, subtraction and multiplication one by one we have done, and today we have to do division of polynomials. ठीक है, division मतलब how to divide the polynomials. So two three forms of division are there. Like first is division of monomials. How to divide a monomial by a monomial. What is monomial? A polynomial which has one term. Monomial क्या होता है? Which has one term only. So how to divide a monomial? Like you can see one example I have taken. 27x square y divided by 3y. Both are monomials. Both have only single term. One term है, monomial है. तो divide करना है तो firstly we will write it in the fraction form. 27x square y. This polynomial we have to divide, so we will make it numerator. And we have to divide it by 3y, and that we will take as a denominator. Clear? Now numbers we know how to divide. Now if we are in 8th class, so we know very well that numbers को कैसे divide करना है. Problem is of variable. ठीक है, x y z वाले इनको कैसे divide करना है. Main problem is of this. So 27 we will write as it is. X square y, this we will मतलब factors we will make. X square, x की power 2 है, power 2 means y power is 2, that means x was 2 times, तभी तो उसकी power 2 है ना, 2 times, so we will write it x into x, and then y कोई power नहीं है, when there is no power, that we know that it means 1, power is 1, so that will come as it is y. Similarly denominator is 3y, so we will write it 3 into y. Clear? Now 27 divided by 3, you know very well, 9 आ जाएगा. In the table of 3, 27 is coming on 9. 3 9 जा 27. Numbers you know how to divide. 9 आ गया. Now variables, नीचे in the denominator we have y, and in numerator also we have y. So that y will cancel out each other, cut हो गए एक दूसरे से. And now we can see nothing is there to divide. We have to divide the polynomial by 3y. 3y से डिवाइड करना था ना, तो 3 भी कट हो गया, बिकॉज 27 वी आर डिवाइडेड बाई 3 एंड 9 आ गया. एंड बाई y ऑल्सो वी हैव डिवाइडेड एज 1y वी हैव कट फ्रॉम द न्यूमिरेटर. तो इट मीन्स नाउ 3y पूरा कैंसिल हो गया. सो नाउ ओनली आवर आंसर इज लेफ्ट, दैट इज नंबर में रह गया 9. एंड इन वेरिएबल यू कैन सी x स्क्वायर, दोनों के दोनों x एज इट इज़ आर देयर आफ्टर डिवाइडिंग. बिकॉज ऐसे कैसे क्यों बच गए? बिकॉज देयर वॉज नो एक्स इन द डिनोमिनेटर, कोई एक्स था ही नहीं, तो ऐसे के ऐसे ही रह गया. सो आवर आंसर आ गया 9x. क्लियर? बिल्कुल ईजी है. व्हेन यू विल डू इट बाय योरसेल्फ, करके देखोगे तो और भी क्लियर हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट है पोलिनोमियल बाय मोनोमियल. हाउ टू डिवाइड polynomial by monomial. Polynomial means now there can be any number of terms, 2 3 4, any number of terms are there, but we have to divide it again by a monomial. Divide अभी भी दोबारा किससे करना है? मोनोमियल से. मोनोमियल का मतलब अगेन only one term is there. So see that how we have to do. Again you can see I have taken an example. 3a square b square minus 6a square b minus 9a cube b square. We have to divide it by 3ab. तो अगेन डिवाइड करने हैं, सो वी विल राइट इट इन फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म. फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म में लिख देंगे दोबारा 3a स्क्वायर बी स्क्वायर माइनस 6a स्क्वायर बी माइनस 9a क्यूब बी स्क्वायर. डिवाइड करना है बाय 3ab. सो 3ab वी हैव मेड डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ दिस फ्रैक्शन. नाउ बेटा व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? पॉलिनोमियल विच वी हैव टू डिवाइड, जितनी भी टर्म्स हैं, लाइक हियर आर 3 टर्म्स, चाहे 2 है चाहे 4 है, ईच टर्म वी हैव टू डिवाइड सेपरेटली बाय द मोनोमियल बाय विच वी हैव टू डिवाइड. जिस मोनोमियल से डिवाइड करना है, वी विल डिवाइड ईच एंड एवरी टर्म ऑफ द पोलिनोमियल विच वी हैव टू डिवाइड बाय द मोनोमियल. ठीक है, सेपरेटली हर टर्म को सेपरेटली डिवाइड करना है. लाइक यू वी कैन सी देयर आर 3 टर्म्स So first term is 3a square b square. This we will divide separately by 3ab. So I have written it in fraction form. Then it was minus 6a square b, minus आ गया sin 6a square b, again we will divide by 3ab, and minus 9a cube b square, minus आ गया 9a cube b square, again we will divide by 3a. तो now finally what is left, again monomial divide by monomial. मतलब 3 terms are there, 3 parts में हमने इसको divide कर लिया. तो at one time what we can do, we can hide other 2 terms. अपने hand से अगर हम hide करके देखें, then what we will see that only one is there, monomial divided by monomial, and that we know. Monomial divided by monomial, how we have to do, now only we have done. So 3a square b square we have to divide by 3ab. Numbers तो बिल्कुल easy है, like 3 divided by 3, you know 1 will come, 3 1 जा 3 है, ठीक है, 1 आ गया, and 1 also there is no need to write. a square है, नीचे a है, ऊपर a square है, that means 2 times a is there, and in denominator 1a is there. तो होगा क्या, 1a will cut and 1a will be left in the numerator. Similarly b square we have to divide by b. Again b square का मतलब 2 times b है, 1b will cancel because there is 1b in denominator, एक b बच गया, तो बच गया 3ab, oh sorry ab only, 1ab बचा है, 1 there is no need to write ab. Similarly 6a square b we will divide by 3ab. 6 divided by 3 क्या आ जाएगा, 2. 6 divided by 3 2, 3 2 जा 6. a square divided by a, 1a will be left. b divided by b cancel हो गए दोनों, एक 1 1 b is there ना, only numerator also only 1 b is there, denominator also only 1 b is there, so b and b divide हो गए, cancel हो गए. माइनस 9 divided by 3 क्या आ जाएगा, 3 3 3 जा 9, so 3. a cube divided by a, क्यूब का मतलब पावर 3 है, and power 3 means there is 3 times a, 3 times a is there. डिनोमिनेटर में 1a है, 1a will cancel, तो how many times a will be left, कितने टाइम बचेगा, 2 टाइम बचेगा ना, so we will write it a square. Similarly b square divided by b करना है, अप साइड b square है, b square मतलब 2 times b है, डिनोमिनेटर there is 1b will cancel and 1b will be left. So आ गया आंसर ab minus 2a minus 3a square b. This will be answer. It cannot be solved further. Why? Because all are unlike terms. इनको प्लस माइनस करने नहीं बैठ जाना बेटा, they are unlike terms. What are unlike terms? Which have different variables. Like there are, we can see there are 3 terms. In one term there is ab variable, second में a है, third there is a square b. All are different variables, so that means they are unlike terms, and unlike terms cannot be solved further. They cannot be added or subtracted with each other. So this will be our answer. Clear? So in this way, first 2 questions of exercise 7.4 will be completed by you. Okay, that covered हो गया है by this explanation. Question number 1 and 2 of exercise 7.4 are covered, that you can complete. Thank you.